Hi Vinod. So tell me, Vinod, now today's session that we are learning JavaScript, correct?
Yeah,
So what do you know about JavaScript?
nothing. I'm new to the JavaScript now.
Totally new JavaScript.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. No worry. I'll share my screen and
okay.
we'll focus on the JavaScript. Okay.
Yeah,
So have you learned C, C++?
yeah. I mean, Java also I know, but JavaScript I don't know.
Okay, no worry. I'll take you through.
Okay.
See, can you see my screen, Vinod?
Yes, I can see now.
Yeah. So basically, JavaScript is a powerful and versatile programming language.
Okay.
Okay, so it's primarily used for creating dynamic and interactive effects within the web browser.
Mm.
Got it? So
Yeah.
if you see JavaScript, like nowadays we use React, Angular.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
so whatever the effects we want in the uh, web browsers, okay,
Mm.
within the web browser we can say. So we use JavaScript here.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the basic thing. So JavaScript control flows refers to the order. If you are telling me what are the control flows in Java script,
Mm.
okay. So JavaScript control flow refers to the order in which statements are executed in your code. Okay.
Okay.
So understanding control flow is essential for writing effective and structured JavaScript programs.
Mm.
So here's basic control flow in JavaScript. Like we use conditional first. For example, conditional statement.
Mm.
So like if, else, for loop,
Yeah.
this one, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, so likewise only we use in JavaScript. Like conditional statement allow you to make decision in your code based on condition. Okay,
Mm.
like if we can say the if statement executes a block of code if specified condition is true. You know very well.
Yeah.
For example, see you can write like this: let age 18. If age getting greater than or equal to 18, so you can just print this console doc. You are an adult. So
Mm.
like in C we write printf scanf, correct? So
Yeah.
in JavaScript we can write console.log to print something.
Okay.
Okay, so this is just a theoretical. I'll let you know by doing practical also. Okay,
Okay. Fine.
so today only we see the control flow and the introduction part and how to execute this in our code. We'll learn today's session.
Okay. Fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
now again, if this condition is true, you will get this result. If the condition is false, you will get this result. Got it?
Mm. Mm.
Same as else if statement, you can say. The else if statement allows you to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. For example, see, let time equal to 14, you're defining something. This let,
Mm.
we will learn what is let here.
Okay.
Okay, data type like we have let, constant, and
Mm.
variable. Three types of
Mm.
data type we can use here. Okay,
Okay.
so let time 14 we define here. So if time less than 12, so it will go to this good morning. Else, if not less than, then you can go to console dot, like if time is 14, suppose 14 less than 18 is there, you will
Yeah.
come here. If this two conditions false, you will come to else part, last one.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yep.
So this one is the else and if else. Now you can also use switch statement in your
Mm.
JavaScript. Like the switch statement allows you to execute different blocks of code based on different conditions.
Yeah.
Like for example, if day two, okay, we define two variables here, day and day name. So if it matches here, where is 2 year? If it comes to two, if this comes date one, if day is already 2 year, it will comes here.
Yeah.
So if matches, two is there or not? Yeah,
Mm.
it is there in case 2. It will go to this case 2 and you will get the day name is Tuesday.
Yeah.
Got it? So that
Yep.
day name you can print outside this switch console.log. Today is you can print day name as like this dollar
Mm.
sign, and this is your curly braces, and you can add day name. You will
Okay.
get day name Tuesday here. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So third part I will looping statement like for loop. So in C in JavaScript you can have like this for loop. Okay. So
Okay.
looping allows you to repeatedly execute a block of code. For example, if you want to repeatedly execute some kind of code, so at that time you can use for loop. So
Mm.
looping allows you to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as specified condition is true. Common types include for loop. The for loop repeats a block of code a specified number of times. For example, there is one let here I. variable equal to 0. So I need to iterate this one 5 times.
Mm.
So this one is now I plus plus. So
Yeah.
what happened? So I equal to 0. It check the condition 0 less than 5. Okay,
Mm.
yes, it iterate this one. Then again it goes to I plus plus. So 0 become 1 now.
Yep.
So again I equal 1 is 5 less than 5. Yes, it will print this one. So it will print all the 5, 0 to 5 or 0 to 4, because this one
Yeah.
I less than 5 not equal to 5. So the
Correct.
output would be 0 to 4.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So same as while loop. The while loop repeats a block of code within a specified condition is true. So the structure of while and for, the intention of both these two loop is same, but the writing style is different. In for loop we can write in one line only, okay, but in
Mm.
while we can just write in first condition I less than 5, it will print again to I plus plus here.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So in for loop you can define in one condition I equal to 0. In while loop let I equal to 0, then condition, then increment. So here condition increment like this. Also, what is the difference between while and do while? So irrespective if of a condition, it is whether it is false or true, it will iterate once because we writing do here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So do right here, do console log iterate dollar I means 0. It will, if 0 less than 5, it will iterate this one. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So like this we have advanced like something, let key in person, it will define the key in person, loop, which color you want, like iterates over iteratable, red, green, blue. So we'll let you know how it works. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, we use continue, we use sorry, break, continue. Okay.
Mm.
So conclusion is understanding JavaScript control flow is fundamental for writing efficient such a code here. Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
by mastering the conditional statement loops and control flow keywords, you can build powerful application that makes data effectively. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll go to my code here. Now you can see, first of all, I write something here. This is a basic example I'll take you through. Okay.
Okay.
So I just want to explain you in this case the use of let here. Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
in the E2E folder, okay, in the
Yeah. Yeah.
E2E, I just, because we are dealing with Cypress. Okay.
Mm.
So under Cypress folder we have E2E. So
Yeah.
this E2E I defined one JavaScript let.js file here like this.
How did you create that file? JavaScript.let.js.
You can just go to Notepad, write down that one, and put .js here.
Oh no, can't we create in inside the E2E right click Eclipse
Yeah,
support
yeah,
like
yeah,
that?
yeah. You can do that. See, you can also
Okay.
like this. If you go to here, you can just go 1 second. Or what you will do? You just write down here. Can you see this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you just want to one file, just create one file here. Create here a file.
Okay.
js1.js. Copy
Okay.
this file.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mm.
whatever you written here, you can just let x equal to 10 function. You can write like this. Okay.
Mm.
Got my point?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll delete this one. No need of this one. So you can go and delete it. Okay. So coming to this point here. Now the main intention is today's lecture is like, first of all, I'll let you know the introduction of JavaScript, second control flow, and third one we'll learn the variable here, let here, data type let.
Mm.
What is the use of let here? So we'll have if I just go through the basic learning Java folder to you, learning JavaScript. Yeah. So we have let constant variable. This is a basic thing, okay? You need to learn.
Okay. So these
So
are the data types or
you can say is used for variable declaration in JavaScript.
okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So
Mm.
yeah, for example, say, so where declaration are a globally used scope or function scope. They are hosted to the top of their scope and initialize, where allows variable to be read. Okay, I'll just go through the code so you'll get more idea how to use. See, first we'll learn let here. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
So See carefully what happened now. In the let, I define x equal to what?
10.
10. Correct? Now,
Yeah.
you know how to use function.
Yeah.
Correct? You are aware of JavaScript, sorry, Java
Yeah.
function.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if see, basically JavaScript also use the oops concept. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
So you know that how to define function, how to call function. The same thing happened in the JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay. Now what happened? If you see carefully, I define the one variable under let x
Mm.
equal to 10.
Mm.
Okay. Now I use one function here.
Mm.
Example. In
Mm.
that function, again I use 30. Sorry, one variable y.
Yeah.
First one is x, second is y. Both are let,
Yeah. Correct.
and I define 30 here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I take one condition if true.
Mm.
Okay. So let y equal to 40.
Okay.
In one condition, if this condition is true,
Mm.
so that commands go to y equal to 40.
Mm.
Again, console.log output would be 40. If this
Mm.
condition is false,
Mm.
you will get y 30 here.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Now, if you see, I define here 10, I define 30 here and 40.
Mm.
So, can you guess what will the output of this program?
It will be error because in if condition you are mentioning a boolean data type true or false, no condition is placed inside the bracket, right? So
Yeah. So, why error? Vinod?
the if condition is like it should be there should be condition should satisfy between two variables, but here it says that only true, right? Like it won't be satisfied, so it goes to the else part which is on like 30 will be printed.
Okay, you mean 30 will be printed, correct?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah.
Okay, so let me go to this one. Okay, so right now we are in Cypress, this folder. So go to this CD Cypress folder. Now we go to CD E2E.
And one more thing, so see in Java CLM we have basically in Java the execution starts from the main method, right? Like public static void main whatever we have.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
like do we have anything in
No,
JavaScript
no,
execution
no, 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 no.
from the line one execution starts in
Exactly,
JavaScript then?
exactly.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Now I want to run this one, okay? So in
Hmm.
JavaC we compile Java C and Java run we write, correct? For compiling we write Java C and file name, correct?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. In
Yeah.
Java, in JavaScript, what we do? Just write down node here, node and the file name. So what is the
Okay.
file name here? Go to this file name here,
Uh,
rename, Control C, or just paste it here.
okay.
If you want, just write down JS here.
Uh,
So you get the output 40 and 30.
Doubt here. So how the for will be printed? Because generally, usually in Java also, if you take if condition or any of programming languages, right? So
Yeah.
if A greater than B or if A less than B or if A equals to B, then only the if condition statement, if condition for true, then only the if statement will be get executed or else part will get executed, right? But I have a doubt here. Inside this if condition, you just mentioned true. True and false are basically Boolean data type in Java if you compare. So uh, how this 40 and 30 both got executed? Can you explain me that?
You see, at the time also, when you were learning that if statement, okay? So you are just putting that A less than B or greater than B in that case. You haven't put true or false in that case. In that
Correct.
case also, if you use Boolean now, true and false, it will work.
Yeah, but you should
Yeah,
compare with some other
yeah.
variable, no?
Basically, I am using true here. Why? Because I don't want to compare anything. I just want to let you know that if condition is true, what happen?
Uh,
If condition become false, what happens? So no need to take any variable here. I just
okay.
shortcut. Yeah. So the main intention is to check it out what happen if the condition is true. Okay.
Hmm.
So why to
Hmm.
write again? Why to write less than equal to and again variable? It's a waste of time. Correct. Instead of directly write on true, assuming that this condition if true, what happen? You will get this. If false, what happen?
Hmm.
Got my point?
Yeah, yeah.
So you can use true and false. No worry. Now the main question comes here. Why 40 and 30?
Hmm.
See, you can know that if true, you will get this 40.
Yeah.
But why 30? And what about this x equal 10? What happened to this 10?
Yeah, no idea on this one. Yeah,
Any guess?
it might be because outside the function, so it's not considering anything.
Exactly. Scope of that function is outside the correct. Yeah.
But execution start from the first line, right? As you said. So, but
Ag-
nowhere we're printing x. Okay.
agree. But if you see carefully, this console
Hmm.
log y we're defining
Yeah.
log y. We
Correct.
have
Correct.
defined log x here, correct?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
If I put here x here both side,
Hmm.
and if I save it and I run it, now tell me the output.
10, 10.
10 10 both side.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Got the difference like
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. So in that case, I haven't defined the x. That is why y is not printed. It's only for confusion purpose.
Hmm.
Okay. Now this will happen to you. Okay. Now it's 10 10. If suppose so, if you say here let okay. If again suppose if I want to define let x equal to 20,
Hmm.
is it possible? I can see you can see red line here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what happened? See in let once you define the value x, you cannot define again using let
Correct.
keyword.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you want to define some difference, you just remove this keyword let here.
Okay.
It works. Okay, now
Hmm.
if I define here, if I remove y here instead of y, if I write x here, even though I write a x here,
Hmm.
now tell me the output of this program. What it will print? It will print x 10 or 20.
10.
10 only, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. See 2020.
How? Okay.
It overlap now. That one.
Hmm.
If I
Okay.
if I write suppose x equal to 40
Yeah.
or x equal to 50, now tell me.
Hmm. 50, 50.
Agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
So now what I'll do if I x equal to 10, if I write
Huh?
x equal to 10 again,
Huh?
then what happen?
10, 10 only displayed.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now what I'll do? This is we're talking about let.
Hmm.
Okay. Now what I'll do instead of let, if I write here where. Okay. So you can also write where like this. No problem. Where equal to x equal to 10,
Hmm.
20.
Hmm.
So it won't give you any error.
Okay.
Like let you're giving error, no? So where if you see where is the older one, where is older than
Like.
let and const.
Hmm.
Okay, so there are some drawbacks. Drawback means like declaration problem in using where, like for example, where x equal to 10. If you write,
Hmm.
if you return again where x 20, it will work here.
Hmm.
So in if your code is lengthy, so you are getting some problem with this one. Okay, so what they thought that coder they remove this type of thing and they introduce the let and const. So you cannot repeat like this. No need to write down where again and again. So nowadays people use let and const only in their structure.
Okay.
Comparing to let and const, where is little bit older.
Hmm.
Okay, so the whatever the faults or drawbacks over there, it will overcome by this using let and const.
Hmm.
Now see, I define a variable x10. Now tell me the output here. First of all, I'll remove this one. I'll comment. Now tell me the output.
10, 10 only.
10 10 correct. Now
Yeah.
again if I write on where equal to 420.
2020.
Okay,
Yeah.
now again suppose if I write where x equal to 10 here only, and I write here where var equal to 30, and if I write y here,
Hmm.
now tell me the output.
40, 40.
See 40 30.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, fine. Got it.
Got it, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the next one is const. Like const means when you define x equal to 10, for example. So again, you cannot use x equal to 20 now because you already taken as x10.
Okay.
See, you will get the error here because
Hmm.
already x, you have to get x here. So constant means you cannot change the value now.
Hmm.
Okay. Now what will be the output?
40, 30.
40 30 here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now if I use constant here, for instance,
Hmm.
const x equal to 30,
Hmm.
and again I use here const x equal to 40, again I use here instead of y x. Now tell me the scope.
40, 30.
40 30.
Yeah.
Correct. 40 and 30.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
Now I'll change this to var. This one is also I use var.
Hmm.
This one is also var. Now true condition 40, else now tell me the output.
40, 30. 40 printed correct, which is inside the if condition. But
Hmm.
again, second 40, how it got printed 40? Because see, line number 6 will get executed overlap on line number 1, right? So next second X should be 30, right?
Mm-hmm.
But how 40 got printed?
Think
Okay. Okay, line number 8 also it's overlapping.
here, if you see here x equal to 10, we define under var.
Yeah,
So inside this example function, we have an var x 30 here.
yeah,
So if condition is true, so that is become overlap. It's become
yeah.
40. It will be
Hmm.
40. Okay. So
Hmm.
once we'll go outside, so that overlap values only will get print,
Okay.
not 30. Because
Okay.
overlap, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it, na? Clear, no?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So do one thing. Now share your screen
Hmm.
and just I'll give an assignment in front of me.
Hmm.
Take one variable under let where constant depends upon you. Okay, and just print that value using any if condition. Can you?
Okay. Yeah. Let me
Okay,
share.
share me your screen.
Let me know when you're able to see my screen.
1 second. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Can I stop sharing my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. So you were saying that I should print the value of the variable, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just want to see what's your understanding by learning this.
And see, now you showed the example with the function, right? That is a function.
Yeah.
Generally, I just want to print, variable and value. I
Yeah.
don't want to define function, right?
Okay. So yeah, no need to define. Only write on one if condition and use console. Yeah.
If I want to
Condition.
just print directly, even that is
Yeah.
also will be fine,
Yeah,
right?
it will work. Yeah. X. Yeah, save it. No need to write double single quote. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
E to E.
Yeah. I did not print anything after compiling.
Console.log X 10 no. First,
Yeah.
first,
First one. First one
first
dot
one
JS.
dot js. Did you save?
Yeah, I said.
Can you see it once again and check it out?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, it's printing now.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
I did not save it. Sorry. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you can just use let now, let and where a constant.
Mm.
You can play with this, so you'll get confidence.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Now you'll get a
Exist.
error here. You already defined the let x equal to 10.
No, it's a variable, right?
Yeah, it's a variable, but in let x you cannot define again 10 because it's taken by variable x. Now
Oh, yeah.
you need to change that to y.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
White is okay. Okay.
You can take constant also.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Got it, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Great. Now do one thing, Vinod.
Yeah.
You know for loop, correct? In JavaScript, just
Yeah.
now we learn.
Yeah.
So can you create a table of 2 to 10?
Okay.
I just want to know your logic in programming skill.
Mm-hmm.
Take only
Then,
one variable let, data type let, and try
uh,
to create table.
yeah.
Yeah.
Table. Yep.
Hmm. What is
Mm.
logic?
I should take one variable table I've taken,
Mm-hmm.
which is I'm just giving as a two,
Mm-hmm.
and I should multiply with this 1 to 10.
Sure.
So for table uh, uh, for table is equal to 2, no 0, semicolon table less than 10,
Mm-hmm.
table plus plus console.log. It's printed 0 to 9 times. Oh, I'm not doing multiplication. Okay. Can you tell me what's wrong here? Because
Mm-hmm.
I'm not getting here because I taken a variable for two
Yeah, yeah,
one
yeah, yeah,
two,
yeah.
and I have given a for loop which I taken a variable I and starting from 0 to 10.
Mm-hmm.
And if you give equals to also I plus plus, and then I'm just created one more variable with the result with the variable type. I'm doing multiplication of 2 into I.
Mm-hmm.
I'm printing the result here.
Mm-hmm. Table is two.
Yeah.
So, so you will get only one, two, three, four till nine, correct? Not you should not be getting multiplied, correct?
No, but it should loop until this condition become false,
You
right?
can use for curly braces.
Okay.
See, you'll get one error.
Okay.
That you can just remove that curly braces. The
Yeah.
above one. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. I thought of pasting inside. It's still
So you can
printing out.
also put that console in the curly braces, no?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Correct. Correct. Okay. Yeah.
Now you got the answer, correct?
Yeah. Yeah. I got it.
So you're forgetting that writing the curly braces. So you see the importance of curly braces here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now I want that it will print like this: two into one equal to two, like this.
Hmm. Okay.
So how will you print?
Table assigned into. Okay. Dollar is the, yeah, symbol which to give the to print that one, right? To
Try.
okay.
You need to
No.
put curly braces, na? When you're using dollar
Okay.
after dollar. No. Table should be in curly braces, correct?
Okay. So after dollar symbol, if you want to print that variable, then should be with curly braces.
And even though dollar sign would be come under this single quote, with single quote, you can see the below escape button in your keyboard. There is one symbol. I forget that name of that symbol. You can use
Which
that
one?
symbol. It's below escape.
Below escape. Oh, yeah,
Uh,
tilde symbol. Okay.
tilde. Yeah, tilde. But no, not tilde. One second. Huh? There is
Okay.
two symbols display, correct? One is
Yeah.
tilde. Without shift, we can print that one. What is the code? Name of that code?
That's tilde when we call that one.
Tilde and below there is one dot variable. One symbol is there before tilde.
No, I'm not sure about that icon
Can
name.
you
So.
click on that? Yeah.
See, if I press shift
No,
and that
no, no,
below
no,
escape
no,
button, tilde
no,
comes.
no tilde. Without tilde, that symbol, you will just press. Yeah,
Yeah.
this. Yeah, you can
Oh.
use this one when writing
What
this.
is what is this?
So this it will take the value of that particular variable table two.
Okay.
So if just close that one also, na.
So this is like a single quotes in other
Yeah,
programming language,
do one
whatever.
thing. Remove that from res. Remove that code.
Huh?
Only put under table because you want to fetch the data from table only, correct? Two.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that symbol, and even though you can write under the yeah. Okay, run it and let me know what happened.
Yeah. Still error. Dollar is not defined.
Yeah. So do one thing. You can put dollar also in that single code and check it out what happened.
Okay.
Save it, run it.
Still just giving the value. Not two is not printed.
Okay, so in that case, you do one thing before the dollar, the symbol, write on double quote. No, keep as it is. That symbol, keep that symbol as it is.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, and close the double quote. Yeah, give comma after double quote. Yeah, run it, save it, run it.
Still
No,
error.
still error. No.
Yeah.
Uh, uh, uh. Okay, let me check at my end. I have done something scripting. I'll
Okay.
share with you. Yeah, see, it's work for you. No, I'll just. I have done using function, so I'm sharing with you. Where is your yeah? Just copy it and paste it at your end and let me know. Yeah, I'll share with you.
Yeah. Okay,
Copy it.
just single quotes. Okay.
Yeah, paste it there. Uh,
What is the shortcut key to make all this as comment? Okay. Got it.
yeah,
No.
you can say press select and
Yeah.
just try to control and that.
Yeah. I got it. I got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
see what I have done. I use one function table.
I use single quotes, right? To print it over here.
Yeah,
Okay. 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 I'll try this probably after the class. Yeah. Go ahead, Shakil.
you are getting now the logic and all
Yeah.
how to work. So yeah. Okay, so one second. Let me share my screen. Vinod.
Okay. Yeah. I'm stopping this screenshot.
Okay. Okay. So suppose now we have seen the table.
Mm.
Okay. So in the table we use you try without using function, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So even though if you use function, it will work. Like for example, if I take function like this, okay,
Mm.
this is multiplication, and in this function I define two variable a and b,
Yeah.
and I'm returning this a into b. So
Mm.
whatever be the values coming into a and b, that should be the multiplication of that value.
Yeah.
You know very well that function defining and all, correct?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah. So now what I'll do, I'm defining one here. Inside
Mm.
one variable, I'm taking multiply,
Mm.
and I'm calling this function here mel and passing two variable 9 and 5.
Mm. Mm.
And inside this console.log, I'm writing a multiplication.
Okay.
So what will be the answer of this program?
45.
45. Simple,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, simple. So you want to make me run this one?
Yeah. Let's run do it.
Okay, sure. Just copy path if you want. See what happened. Note. No, it will not give you give error. Yeah, because we are outside, no. So
Mm.
CD Cypress, CD E2E node, and just copy this file name, paste it here. .js. I'm getting error. Okay, okay. Why I'm getting error? Because this is not inside this. This is learning JavaScript. Okay.
Yeah.
So instead of E2E, E2E CD, I want to go to CD learning JavaScript folder.
Mm.
You know this one, na basic command.
Yeah, yeah.
Is there any mistake learning Java script? Okay, J small.
Like,
Oh, I know. I think that's plus only.
just press CD and with type L and press tab, capital L tab. By default, that name should display, right? Shortcut.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Once again. Okay, no worry. What I'll do, simple. If it is the JavaScript auto, I'll just copy this one.
Yeah.
I'll take to this E2E.
Okay.
I'll move this to E2E now.
Yeah.
I just cd Cyprus. Okay, see. Okay, even though I'm in the Cyprus only,
Yeah.
E2E. Now node, and my file name is function2.
So
Control C.
this, so this whatever we had compiled now, it's only compiled. So how about the running thing? Because in Java also, if you have Java C, right, and again we have Java also, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So to run, like, what is the command which we use here?
See, mainly in JavaScript to run this one, no, we use node and the
Okay,
file name. Yeah.
so first it compile, then it will execute in the same command.
See, it happens in the Java, correct? First compile, then run. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So in if you see JavaScript, it's a server-based application, so it will run directly. Like if you see, it's runtime compiling.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can just around node. No need to use any command for compiling and all.
Mm.
So got it? You get the answer 45 years.
Yeah, yeah.
Simple, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that way, you can use many functions. Like for example, if I use greet name, okay.
Mm. Mm.
So I just have to console log hello name here and that one. See if I just copy this one, go to the main function. This one, if I write like this and I save it, run it. So hello Madhuri, I'm getting here.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
So greet is a function. I'm calling inside this. I'm sending this Madhuri's name. It will come here.
Mm. Mm.
Console hello name and this.
So this JavaScript won't end with semicolon for the executable statement, right? Then
No, 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 no.
okay.
If you, it's not mandatory to write on semicolon or not. Depends. If
Oh,
I,
okay.
it will be in your name. Hello Vinod.
Okay.
So if you play with this now, you'll find more easy and more interesting thing. JavaScript.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, easy to learn.
I'll do. Yeah.
Yeah, and when you are learning the Cypress now, so there is no need to have in-depth knowledge of JavaScript.
Mm.
Yeah, only basic knowledge like how to define let, where, how to call functions,
Okay.
how to define object, which is
Mm.
used in like if you want to create one framework in
Mm.
automation like
Mm.
page object model.
Correct.
So in that case, you need to have this function, classes, and objects, how to
Yeah.
define variables. Yeah, in that case, you can use that concept. Yeah. So if you overall see Cypress, so like whatever the looping we are using for loop, if that we can use in Cypress,
Mm.
the data type like it's a variable, let, const we can use, classes and functions, objects, variables. These are used in the and our logic.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're dealing with function right now.
Mm.
So different functions we have. Even though you can create your own functions also.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a little bit theory you can say. So we defined a function named greet using the function keyword. The function takes one parameter name. Inside the function body, we concatenate the parameter name. Talking about this one, we defined one function name.
Mm.
We concatenate. This is simple for concatenating.
Yeah.
You know very well, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So there is no need to go in depth because you know how to concatenate, how it defining.
Yeah.
Okay, any doubt till now how to define like what is the structure of JavaScript or control flow, introduction, variables, how
See,
to
In Java or any programming languages, we have the concept called the size of the integer is 2 byte. String is a like characters of
yeah, yeah,
string
yeah, yeah,
using data type string, right? So
yeah,
like
yeah.
that, this where let and constant. Do we have any size of this data types?
Actually, I to be frank, I haven't come across the size of this one. Okay,
Okay.
so I'll let you know about the size in JavaScript also.
Yeah,
But
because
yeah, but yeah, in C and C plus we have some size 32,000 for integer. For
mm.
float we have something. Yeah, we have that size.
And thing is, I want to learn first thing. Second thing, I don't want to miss any good opportunity if I'm going for any interview and all. So
Exactly, exactly. Don't worry, don't worry. So you will get confidence now, whatever I'm teaching you.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the main focus is that whatever I'm teaching you, you will get confidence. Then, oh, the teacher, mentor is teaching correctly or he building the confidence. Yeah. So
Mm.
once we get confidence, so you do just do one thing. Whatever doubts you have, you send it to me. I'll
Yeah.
do R&D and I'll let you know because up till now we do JavaScript till now here only like how to define where length. We haven't come across the value the length of the particular limit of the particular variable. Like
Mm.
how many thousand or k we can write on. So we'll let you know inside also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we stop here, Vinod.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we'll
And-
learn. I'll share you the JavaScript concept what we learn tomorrow, so you can just aware of it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and the notes also, whatever you have
Sure. Sure.
teaching me, right? So you can share that also.
Yeah, I'll share whatever notes we have. No
Yeah.
worry. You just go through it and be prepared. Then we'll get more clarity in what we are teaching.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah, so we'll cover it within 1 month only. No worry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I am also observing that you are means you can learn fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So
like whenever you're free, right? So you can extend time also, like more than 1 hour, 1.5 hour, like that, we can finish.
that is the point to me. I'm very constrained regarding the
Ah, okay.
timing, because I do
Mm.
finish this in 1 hour only. So like this because of different work we have. So
Mm.
yeah, even though we can cover in daily basis 1 hour. Yeah, no
Mm.
worry.
That's fine then.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So okay then tomorrow like weekend. So we have off 2 days.
Okay. Okay.
So we'll meet on Monday then. Okay,
Yeah.
Vinod. Yeah.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Okay then, Vinod.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.